Hi, thanks for meeting with me.
So what did you want to talk to me about?
I had some questions about this paper and my grade.
Okay. Well, I think that my written comments already tell you a lot about what is going on. You see here and here, your thesis is not very clear or very well developed. So you lost some marks there. And then if you look through your essay, there are a lot of spelling mistakes and grammar errors, which caused a lot of more deductions. Oh, and here, look at your references. I expect a lot more academic resources. What you source from is blogs and personal websites, which is not appropriate for a research essay. So all of these things contribute to your final grade for your paper.
Yeah, I get your feedback, but I think your grading is a little harsh. I worked really hard on this paper, and for only a few grammar mistakes and a not so strong thesis, it just seems like a pretty big penalty.
Well, I understand that you worked really hard on this essay, but I stand behind my comments. While they may seem like small issues to you, things like a strong thesis and proper academic sources is the heart of a good essay, which is why I assign a lot of marks to it.
Okay, well, I don't actually remember you telling us that our sources had to be academic, so it seems pretty unfair to cut down on so many marks.
I believe that the academic resource requirement is outlined in your course outline already. And besides, this should be a requirement for all your essays at the undergraduate level.
Yeah, but who reads the course outline anyway? I mean, you should be telling us your expectation in class. It's not fair that I worked so hard on this and then get surprised by the grade after the fact.
That is good to know. I will take it under advisement for my class materials next year.
Okay, what about my paper? Are you going to reconsider my grade?
No, I think this is a fair mark.
You know your class is really difficult, right? Like, you assign way more readings than most profs, and I've been keeping up, even though most of the class doesn't even bother to put in the work.
Well, that is good that you
And you don't even put notes on the board or post them online or anything. And you talk really fast. It's very hard to keep up.
There's a lot
and
of
it's not the only reason it's hard to understand you, you know. I mean, it's fine if English isn't your first language, but it's not fair to be giving us such tough marks on our writing if your English isn't perfect either.